Well, let's get to the phone lines. We've got Renee on the line. Hey there, Renee. What's your question tonight? How can we help? Renee, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, hey there, Renee. What's your question tonight? How can we help?
Yes, my question is, if a company is filing bankruptcy and you're in the process of suing them for an injury that you sustained in their place of business, and they come out of the bankruptcy, do you still have a claim against them?
That's a great question.
You just lost out on that?
No, yeah, it is a great question, and it's really going to depend on what type of bankruptcy that they entered and what process all of that is in. Sometimes, and unfortunately, I've been a victim of this with some of my clients, where someone files for bankruptcy, a business, something of that nature, and then the claim is only worth pennies on the dollar as to what it would normally be. But what you need to, you need to get in touch with the lawyer immediately, and a lawyer that handles these types of cases, and especially if they know someone who's in the bankruptcy field, they can find out what the status of that bankruptcy of that company, because again, bankruptcies are different as far as what type of chapter that they filed, or they just, are they consolidating, or something else. And so you need to find out exactly what the situation is, but all is not lost, so don't give up hope.
Yeah, so it doesn't necessarily shield them from the claim, just might, like you said, pennies on the dollar, what the person might be able to collect, but
Right.
Aren't you really suing like their insurance company? I mean, isn't that who the lawsuit is against? So unless that insurance company is filing for bankruptcy, I mean, can't you still recover losses?
Absolutely, and that's the big key. We've got a couple of cases right now where there's some restaurants, and I won't mention any names, but locally, that have filed for bankruptcy, but they had a policy of insurance in effect and in force at the time. And so the fact that they have filed for bankruptcy doesn't really mean anything. So don't listen to the fact that, if an adjuster or a manager of the restaurant or company says, hey, we filed for bankruptcy, a lot of times they're just wanting you to kind of go away. But if they had insurance at the time, it doesn't matter. So just, you need to be persistent and get in touch with a lawyer that handles that type of work.